iDiski Times, now available in stores around the country for only R3.50.
iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. Stellenbosch 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 2. Last minute win for Sundowns. Well done. Congratulations. You increased the lead on top of the log. Essentially, you've won the league, except if you want to, you can give it away to the next team. We don't want it. Well done, Mamelodi Sundowns. You've won for the first time in our history 4 league titles in a row. Of course, that's up to you to give it away. Maybe you would need to lose 7 games in a row or 5 games in a row. Another historic thing that you could try to do, win matches and not lose a single game. You'll be invincibles like Arsenal in 2004 when they won the league without losing a single game. Junior Khanye, our analyst as always. How did you see the game? I mean, at some point you were worried at halftime. You were saying that maybe there could be a surprise here, but Sundowns and their quality, they rose above the quality yesterday. Stellenbosch.
Kule mama brother kunjani yangulisene justice Benedict Sovilas ya no Selima Tunes tukudu fethi kunjani, keep on supporting DSTV, fighting no one, reality, fixing South African football ya nkuleko eshindaba manje lento engizoyikhuluma i-reality maribona abantu abafew yabo South Africa spanning kanjani mara only few people will understand ukuthi ngizothini manje. Sundowns today, they won fortunately. The way my coach approach game ngakona very disappointing. They don't have to do that. Abantu laba ababa coach not insimbi yabo. If you're gonna take on the Charlie, uthathe Ashming Domingos, a win a playoff, man of the match, and put him on the bench. Utolu gutuna manyama player whereby when they play the 1 man of the match, you continue playing them. It demoralizes umfana. First is fighting for a starting lineup. Okanye ulwele 18 akadlali often. Ulwele 18 ayithole bamfaka u18 bamfaka as a sub as proof. Last week uqale the game umfana, it did very well. He won man of the match today on the bench. Kills him. You bring Rivaldo Kutse beyangadlali last week. Vice versa. And also if you can check if you so do the Rukudale right today you play him. And then doesn't make sense. So Andile Charlie, outstanding. You're putting him on the bench. I don't know. It's because of his achievement. Yambula Lumfana and I, with the boys being in the game. He played for Pirates, did well. Also came to Sundowns. Walindi Chansa kwa Krepa Luggage. I don't understand. As Nishon Kurmaganji. Omunyimuntu zoibon Sundowns winile. La individual brilliant won the game. Shalulile. Also Sirino. I don't understand the Sapio Gwenzansa Sirino. They had to go back a target man namhlanje, which is I understand the Sundowns are a target man of Fori, but Ubano Afonso. Yeah, they are fortunate to go to Bambege Penjin So all in all, I'm very disappointed. Chapa we need but going forward continuously then kumangayo. Omunye umuntu onga understand uzothi now tagiwe. In reality, pega ba correctsele a minute. You understand? So wrong lento abayenzile ama coaches ngine believe ukuthi bafundile kuPitso Manqoba, him and Orlando Mkwena. I've got respect for them because of now they've done well. Balazi bhola dala ngibabonile I've been bengisho ukuthi ukusebenza kwabo nePitso it's good but banokuthatha ama decision. Also Steve ukompela ezingihlale ngiyamhlonipha mina Steve ngispanile under yena. I believe ukuthi is one of the best but they must talk bazwane ngenkulumo. They supposed boy trigger njengale knowledge abanayo bazwane ukuthi no the decision esithathile wrong. So kuleke game just to go back game. Sundowns approach game 3-4-3. Sundowns mangayicheka in the middle bebalahlekile real one lengwenye be enku Rivaldo Kutse bepepe ku back 4 bebanengcondo ukuthi batheka ngomrena no Lucky Mari Chavez bekuphi lo mfana ulazy he can't cover I think coaching but umkhulisi must join attack him and ngoba sebenze last week ondile beka imaster adlala on Wednesday sorry ondile beka dlala one imaster ukuthi cover ka right cover ka left when you put Rivaldo there energy is going to be the same as Andile Charlie now. Secondly we understand that their position when he's playing there. I think he was signed as a centre back when he was signed from Ajax. Yeah, playing him there, crime. I don't understand. That's why I'm coach and so because kuti the club play, Steve Parker umphe kwenzeni. Udlale ngabantu abayi-3 front watshela ukuthi which is Chamber walomjitment here also Tiprin. Wabatshela ukuthi Tiprin adlale ka left, Chamber coming from on the right cutting in. either score okanye mhlambi cross on the right lo mfana lo mediator central but achide so that he allow somebody that will come konje banengonya bedlala bekusankara nalomjito umthetho abamile Sinkara and Mthetho was sitting but there was somebody that playing adlala nabo la bebamfuna ukuthi ajoin mhlambi attack either running behind the defense bebayenza kanjalo but beyanga ijoin beku downfall bebayi break Sundowns decision making the chances especially umfana brain ngoba bekahamba lo mfana umrena uthola ukuthi uyakhava unasimento 1-on-1 can't deal akusumuntu oyiman marker he can't defend like defend one he is clever ukwazi anticipate uyakwazi ukugeleza imove and then win ibhola without kicking somebody ama Brazilian anjalo they defend ngama midfielders you can play middle unasimento so iphindishana lo mfana Rocky can't deal naye good timing unayo but you 1-on-1 so lento abachita instruction ku coach ukuthi stay the two of you 1-on-1 take him on and the eliminator decision making so at the back sitting Roman Johannes nalomchita kushukuthi back 4 yakhe he was a leader they were sitting but the problem abayenzile the second half they stopped playing yenza amasapa wrong coach keeper nalomchita uJimba also bring Unange
that was a big mistake
also bringing Unange I heard ukuthi also Kaizer Chiefs need him a very good player especially kule party did well but ukenipho wodimchita icoach mayizombringa kule intensity engaka it's very bekshisa lapha bekunzima kakhulu so ngokustop ukudlala bala Sundowns but Sundowns yoba ngisho le fortunate keep Sirino and then ushiyo Rivaldo kutse eliminate Rivaldo kutse ufakwandile Shalulile also ngisho mangabe ufaka uKhemiti Erasmus keep umkhulisi. Today I think get a bad game. We some shishi in the middle coming from deep. Umabuya dlale kube umshishi nomabuye. Good ba attack ba support their attack. Which alarm. It's not a sit down manager until they understand their position. He's one of the best in the country player position. I don't care who says what. Yeah, bo the mfana lo Pirates they similar like him open but until they master he can score. Angazi in spamming goals again. So ilo ilahlile game last 10 minutes. So individual brilliant Shalulile umchita imncedile ukuthi bambeke central ngisayiphinda because it is hard working uyazi kumele ngore. Igame negame he knows ngena ngimenza kumele ngore. And bamncedile ama coach to study him ukuthi stay central. Yamnceda Nkuleko central if it doesn't score it creates something. Ngale movement ngoba noma ngabe ibhola likho kuye he can press you kwenza ama mistake Nkuleko ilahle last minute Stellenbosch but abo Steve bakamele bageleze if it up he had to play in Sundowns play yakhe first half isebenzile and then bheka Nkuleko why substituting ama player that they giving Sundowns a problem kwala and then you want to defend bheka le Robben the center back mawuzokhipha le Robertson mawukhipha lo mjithu Jembo faka yona what are you trying to tell us we born in South Africa not German Nkuleko so it's supposed to leave that attack and then akhubeke ngayo beyangayenza lento kusele 1 second mhlambe kwane 1 minute ukuhambisa ama second check isikhathi ukuthi hambisa isikhathi which is I don't believe in that the best way mina ukuhambisa isikhathi can you keep the ball in the right areas so all in all Nkuleko ama coaches namhlanje it's a false win abanye abantu bazoyibheka ukuthi yeah we won siyona
yeah Sundowns keep on winning though they keep on winning and they're going match number 17 now unbeaten I keep on asking you this maybe after 3 weeks we keep on revisiting this topic. Sundowns has so many mistakes in the game. I mean, if we were taking notes, we would be having a lot of notes in the game. But they keep on winning, and which means there are implications in the way that our football is or where our football is at. Yeah, we win on the team, but in the mistakes is I. And the mistakes is suppose is costly, but for some reason, yeah, we win. Look at South African football, quality and the standard. What does that mean about the quality and the standard of what we have in this country? Because they are unbeaten, they are leading, they have games in hand, and they're going to win the league. They've won the league.
The answer is simple. That's why the president yabo FIFA African FIFA. Yeah. We are behind pre-wahlale back seat. Ubonile all these years ukuthi ngapoint abantu that they were giving me nothing, pumping money, and ukuthi umthetho interested ebholweni. Not in a page ukuthi I want my workers wami angalambi umjita appointed people that we were allowed to leader engasabi ukuthatha ama decision a person that onama-balls. So mention le gama, but it's a reality.
This is YouTube.
But he had to tell a point abantu abanjengabo Landa as a head coach. Yena lo mtshita lo coach uManqoba Mncithi, Rulane as well. Passion, passion damfana. Lo mtshita une passion. You like it or not, he's passionate with the game. He do research. That amthola kula magame coach awase Masoweto amagame njengalawa abu Dave Tony Mbewendlu sim coaching. He's passionate with the game. Akabalali bana bopit. So he appointed people abakren. They signed players who deserve to be them. Core. Number is a mistake you won't see. Whoever that they brought in the game, okanye banithatha 18. He brings something. That's why you don't see Abon Vala anymore. I think by made a mistake, you don't see them anymore. They sign about Dimgba, they come say they were 2 seconds after 7 games. Mukchedi Ngulego, na yavela like Shalulile, totally position. If the bigger wing is gonna have a problem, central is good. It's a typical striker. South Africa they need somebody typical symbol like Kumchito Njengalo. And Bamnet with Bangam Trepis in Dane, they make it simple. Bamnigal Avelantala Shine Toganya Letela Mekon. Unama player special cool pamwak. So you won't see. I'm a mistake. Yeah. So pendula lento show. Yeah. The answer is simple. YouTube. Kuba sign on YouTube.
Wena usebenza kwa YouTube njalo ingxaka ngo
We've got to Junior Khanye now ngoreso.
Abakamboni ngamehlo.
Yeah, like they never go and do proper assessment. We've got Junior Khanye bekuhete kanjani. And did uyibukelile le game yonke na. And nalento ukuthi everybody is agent. The teacher uyasuka kubutishera agent. The principal from okanye doctor isuka agent. Nami I can be agent to the ebusuku. So whatever I've got to banbani sign him. So nguleko akusijoke lento engikhulumayo. It's a fact. If we can get simple, my chairman that willing to pay players, people that is working for him, not only players, technical team, I understand ukuthi uzoba nendawo yakhe. He will talk, not the grounding. Amnike if he appoint a coach okanye ngikhuluma ngecoach, he appoint people that understand the game, special South African football. Also mkhweshina and umuntu ozappointa ama coaches development structure iqini ngoba development mina manga developer ngakimi mina I don't think ama player abuya ku Vodacom i6 can go and compete ngawo ku 10 even ku 10 abangaba good but bazofika kwenye level. Not all the ngakutshela nkuleko ngithi mina checka lama country labo abo Spain abo Brazil Spain Argentina ubheke ukuthi development yabo kuleko all those players they are proper developed abana nkinga ne passing ku Sundowns. So izoqhubeka noma ngabadlali lama team lawa manje utshelile ngathi Pirate nayo luzile identity kancane kuthi nje uPraston njoba ngisho no Floyd bakhona ukusayina ama players but kule level le mina ngiyazi Pirates nabo bakafiki because of baluzi identity Pirates nabo kancane culture lahlekile. Yes by bring equality ngoba njoba ngisho baba signer they are good but by lose the identity because sometimes they stick to their culture akudlani noma ubani ngihlale ngikutshela. Yeah,
all right, there you go. So sorry. Yeah, that was a conversation. Or obviously Mamelodi Sundowns, I'm saying, putting my head on the block, easiest thing to do. Mamelodi Sundowns have won the league. It's up to them to give it away. They have to lose 7 matches. It's 17 matches now. Maybe by the time we get to match number 22, they will mathematically would have won the league if everyone is on match number 22. In 5 matches time, Mamelodi Sundowns will officially probably be the winners unless they give it away. But as a phone, historically, for the first time in our history since 1996, the inception of the PSL, there's no team that has won the league back-to-back 4 times. SuperSport United won it 3 times. Sundowns won it 3 times. Sundowns have won it now 3 times again. They are now on their way to number 4. iDiskiTimes.co.za, iDiskiTV on Facebook as well. WSP.co.za. Thank you very much for watching our video.